Sincerely, a concerned citizen. Thank you for writing, concern. Of course, your question touches on one of the basic biological impulses, with all its associated hopes and fears for the future of the species. I also detect some unspoken questions.
What is taking so long?
Can I just for once take a piss in peace? Welcome to Frank's Computer Repair Shop. How can I help you?
Hey there, I bought this computer from across the street the other day and now it's broken and I lost the receipt and they won't help me.
Oh dear. I can't say I'm surprised to hear this. I hear through the grapevine that their customer service is not the best. However, I will try to fix your computer for you. If you call back in 48 hours, I will have your computer fixed for you.
Okay, thank you.
Good evening, Frank's Computer Repair Shop. Frank speaking.
Good evening, Frank. How are you, my friend?
Gordon?
Yes, hello, Frank. I am calling you tonight to inform you that our project is nearly complete.
If we pull this off, we are going to be famous, Gordon, and we will be known throughout the world for our achievements.